So while that's loading, I'm going to basically show you so this is actually a big new pattern, and we actually think it's a better pattern to do, because let's say that you have this guard over here. This guard is dependent on the event, and we can assume that it is a to-do updated event, but TypeScript is not smart enough to know all of the ways that this guard can be used. It can't see into the future. That's what typegen was for in v4, but you honestly shouldn't rely on typegen in v5 too much, just because there are alternative patterns. So we could do this instead. First of all, I'm going to make a formal to-do type. And so we could say interface to-do is completed Boolean. And so now here's what I'm going to do. I don't want to care about the event actually, and this is a pattern that you should try to internalize too. Instead, I want to pass it in as a parameter so that we're sort of doing inversion of control. The guard is telling you this is what I expect. So our params can be, let's just make this a to-do. And so now we have a bunch of stuff over here. We no longer need this because we don't care about the events anymore. We just know, or we expect, whoever is calling this guard should provide us to-do as a parameter. So let's see how to do that. Instead of passing a string over here, the guard type is to-do is completed, and it expects parameters too. So params, and we have the events over here, which already is strongly typed. So we could just say to-do is events.to-do, and TypeScript is perfectly happy. So now you don't care about the event. You get that to-do from params, which is strongly typed, and you could specify the params dynamically here, which is also strongly typed. So I'm really glad you asked that question, because this is a pattern that we do want to encourage moving forward. It makes these a lot more flexible. So now you could use this guard in any machine. It doesn't matter. It's not dependent on the context or the event.
Nice. Should we go and check up on where the studio is at with generating that enhanced UI?
Oh, sure. Yeah, it actually completed a while ago, but I'll show you right here.